Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today we're doing transfer case fluid service. This is a 2018 Chevy 1500 four-wheel drive. So this is equipped with a transfer case as well. We're doing the front and rear differentials and the transmission. Around 100,000 kilometers on this one here. Obviously first we take apart the fill plug here and then the drain plug. Clean the magnet on the drain plug here. This transfer case here takes the automatic style transmission fluid. Obviously check your vehicle specs and all that before you fill anything. Great little machine here. We set it into a limp mode and we fill our fluid, training fluid, into the machine. And we're just going to keep filling this till it comes out of the check plug. That's how you determine the level of this transfer case here. Now we do have different machines for the different fluids. This one here is just transmission fluid, which we use our synthetic Valvoline Max Life fluid in. We do have other machines that we use just for CVT fluids, as well as the dual clutch fluids. We do not want to cross-contaminate here, so that's why we use the different machines. We're just going to let that drip out. Put a little thread sealant on the plug and clean it all down. Any interest in vehicle fluid services, feel free to give us a call here. Urban Automotive, safety first.